Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi Q4 Sportback E-Tron S-Line 55 Quattro. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling such as the front and rear diffuser design, as well as this you do get the additional chrome accents such as that rear diffuser around the front windows and also the front grille. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic digital matrix LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 20-inch 5 wide-spoke graphite grey wheels, which really complement that lovely metallic black paintwork. Now to the side of the Q4, we do find a rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, but does continue this lovely black theme. Moving into the rear boot space now, the Q4 Sportback, where we found up to 535 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for an EV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. It can easily store its charging cables away. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a part leather interior with the additional Dynamica Alcantara in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making this vehicle perfect for family usage. Taking a look into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica Alcantara and gloss black. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the 2-tone seats with the Audi Sports logo, as well as the lovely white stitching. And above now, we do find a virtual cockpit display, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters, as well as this you can access your telephone connectivity, as well as vehicle data. To the screen above once again now, we find the optional MMI touchscreen display, which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front occupants. Now moving towards the screen above once again, where we do find a reversing camera, which does make the vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi Q4 e-tron Sportback Quattro, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.